So something really cool came in the mail today. It's the King of Fighters 2002 Unlimited Match for the PlayStation 4. And my brother took the PlayStation 4 to college. Anyway, I'm gonna get this bad boy open. So if I'm not mistaken, this game should come in the Neo Geo Shell Shock container and come with a poster, some art cards, and a soundtrack. I'm really excited for the poster. That's one of my favorite aspects about this. So without further ado, here we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is cool. I wish I had another camera. Oh my gosh, my favorite part. There we go. I couldn't even squeeze one of them. Yo, this looks so sick. Yo, look at that. It's in the shrink wrap and shit. It looks like a Neo Geo card. That's so cool. And then on the back, it has even more stuff. Man, that is so reminiscent of those old cartridge cases. I really like that. And you know, here's a good look at the side. You can see it makes it look really authentic. I really like it. And it looks like it also came with this other thing. It's like a poster of like limited run game stuff. It's funny. This isn't the first thing I purchased from limited run games. I actually got the KOF02UM collector's edition first, but I'm waiting for that longer because I also got the signed LP that comes with it, and I'm not gonna get that stuff till later. But definitely expect a review of that. I'm just gonna open this up and then take a look inside and might talk about like some of the elements in the package. Nothing more satisfying than getting the shrink wrap off products. Alright. Oh, and look at that. Oh man, that physical cartridge is so beautiful. Physical game for the PlayStation, I mean. Oh man, there's so much stuff in this package. I wish we could get the camera over here. So it comes in a cool package like this. You got the game in here, and under it is all the other stuff. You got the poster, and then the OST. And then over here, I think, are the art cards. If you look closely, you can see the... Oh, the lighting's so bad, I'm sorry. Yeah, you can see the SNK logo, limited runs, and then Fangamer, I think? Yeah, Fangamer. Alright, before I take a look at the game, I want to actually take a look at the art cards first. Let's see. So, I'm not sure. Let's see. Okay, these are the art cards advertised on the website. These are pretty interesting. So you see, you got the art cards, you got, you know, the Kyoki art, the Iori art, the K-Dash art, and then the Kula art. Yo, these are sick. I should probably hang these up, but I feel like I need to get the right stuff for them. These drawings were made by an SNK artist at the time, Hiraki, I think is how his name's pronounced. He's one of my personal favorite artists that drew like the SNK characters, like period. Like he's up there with me with the Shinkido. Anyway, without further ado, I'll get the shrink wrap off these other things. So here's a better look at the actual physical game. Like, it's so sick. I love this art so much. And the colors on the front look really cool to me. I just like dark yet vibrant art, I guess. And then here's a good look at the back. Exceed your limits and unleash your unlimited power. KOF gets back to its roots and returns to 3-on-3 battle. Take on the world's strongest players and unleash your true potential. Now, with rollback netcode. Also, I didn't realize there were this many elements on the ESRB for this game. I guess you just don't notice them when you play them so often, right? Blood, partial nudity, suggestive themes, use of alcohol, use of tobacco, violence. I can confirm those were all there. I don't think it comes with a manual, but could you imagine if it did? That'd be so sick. Like move lists and stuff. Alright, got the shrink wrap off of that. So let's open the game card. Oh wow, that's an interesting choice. So it looks like we got a little thing right here. I'm not sure if it's like a manual. Oh yeah, it's just, okay. It's like a fake manual. You got the art of Iori and Kyo. And then you got the Kula victory pose. When you do that one super where it brings all of her teammates together. I like that. Alright, and of course you got Kula on the disc to remind you who's SSS tier in this game. Alright, so the next thing we're going to look at is the soundtrack. I thought it was going to be a CD case, but it's literally just like a plastic slip case. You know, you got Nameless looking pretty cool. This is just my personal opinion, but I always thought Nameless looked so sick in the art, but in the game, I don't know, his sprite just doesn't do it that much for me. Regardless, I think there's a lot of potential there, especially when K won't make it back in the game. Also, I apologize for my sweaty look. The AC is off, but at least you don't have to worry about, you know, the AC being in the microphone, right? The feedback. So yeah, looks pretty cool. Oh, look at that! There's more nameless art on the disc. That's sick. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm definitely gonna be listening to those tunes because, you know, they're not available on YouTube or anything. Anyway, all right now. Oh shit! Oh whoa! This is smaller than I thought it'd be. I was gonna look at the poster, but this caught me off guard. This is the let me see if I can get that to the camera close enough. Yeah, it has the same art with Kula and all her friends. Yeah, I'm not gonna get a good quality photo of that, but it has like. When I ordered this, I thought it'd be the same size as the Neo Geo card, which is why I thought the package was so big. But I guess that's to include everything. Oh no, I still like this. It's cute. That's nifty packaging though. Shoutouts to Limited Run Games. All right, last but not least, probably my favorite part and main reason like I bought this is for the art, the poster for like the poster. Look at this shit. This is fucking cool. I'm not gonna hang it up right now. I kind of wanted to wait to get like a poster frame so it could be like, you know, nice and safe on getting nicks on it. I think I'll definitely have this side because I really like the way the art looks on this. And on the other side, I'm not sure if I'm doing the lighting justice, but you also get the other key art for KOF02UM. Here's Nameless's girlfriend. I forgot the name of. It's totally not just Kula. And you know, oh yeah, at the bottom. The King of Fighters 2002 Unlimited Match. Yeah, this art looks sick. Man, if I could, I'd hang like both posters on my wall, but it's a 2-in-1, so gotta do what you got. Anyway, shit, how do I feel this? I don't want to put creases in it already. God damn it. All right, that seems fine. Can't just fold it this way, right? Ah, jeez. Okay, I can't fold it that way. Spreader's gonna break it, dude. Yeah, break the poster. Anyway, I definitely would have installed this on my PS4 if I still had it, but, you know, it is what it is. I play it on PC. Yeah, this is a really cool collection. I really dig this. Yo, shoutouts to Limited Run Games, man. They make some really sick shit. Yeah, this is sick. This is like a good, background piece, for sure. Yeah, I love this art so much. Anyways, that's it for me. I don't know how to end these videos, man.